Click on any of these NFT like MK012 Mommy, MK006 Fist Baby, and complete the Oxygen Alliance task to enter the lucky draw. Winner will receive a random prize between 10 and 100 USDTs. So it's a big opportunity for all of you. Be careful, and you will be able to win 100 USDT big prize. Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to my YouTube channel. I'm here with a brand new video. First of all, you have to open the link which is given below in the description. Site name is lunarlens.live/PC. If you are opening it in PC, so slash PC. Otherwise, you have to download the app, and the app link is also given in the description. You can download the app for your Android or your iPhone. It's not a big deal. Here is the dashboard of the site. Site name is Lunarlens. Restart in the light. Excellent performance and aesthetic appeal. Flexibility. Linear lighting can be mounted into almost any ceiling type. You can read the total bill log right here by clicking on View More. Become a leader and changer in digital innovation and cultural exchange. Here are the exchanges on which the Lunarlens going to list: Bybit, KuCoin, Coinbase, Bitget, Gate.io, Binance, Binance.com, XRP, Tether, Ethereum, Bitcoin. Like there are coins and exchanges. You can see the flow of coins and exchanges right here. Provide numbers for Web3 digital nomads, a free world of creation and sharing. We aim to enable users to better enjoy digital assets, digital entertainment, and the digital economy through our products and services, creating a better digital world. Here are three options: attention, monetization, NFT on the Moonlight Exchange. You can create short videos and upload it on Lunar Lens to get great rewards. Popular dynamic video. Here are the short video examples you can see, and these are popular short videos on our app. Our partners are CoinMarketCap, CoinJeco, Uniswap, Dex Tools, and it's a Japanese or Chinese app. I can't able to read that name. How to exchange Uniswap UZX. Token contact address. Here is the token contact contract address. You can purchase token through this address. Indicator supply 109 million lunar lens chain base. Issue price 0.tetra 03539. Tax 2% to 1% in plus 1% marketing. Here are the NFTs which are going to be mown: MK001, Cool Rabbit, MK002, Bounty Hunter, MK007, Battlefield Bunny, MK010, Aerial Warrior. This is my favorite NFT right here, MK006 Fist Baby. Here is also a very good NFT, MK012 Mummy. You can see the total value, the total info about these NFTs by clicking on it or clicking on View More. Download now, make money soon. Click on App Store if you are using an iPhone. Otherwise, click on Google Play if you are using an Android mobile to get the Lunar Lens app. First of all, you have to open the app, Lunar Lens app, by downloading it. After downloading it, and complete the Oxygen Alliance task to enter the lucky draw. Winner will receive a random prize between 10 and 100 USDT referral rewards. Invite your friends by your invitation link. Copy your invitation link and invite your friends to join the Lunar Lens app. You will get rewards on your friends joining. Join our community. New Zealand Commerce Minister calls for support for cryptocurrency. You can read their total bill logs right here. Richest people from 2013 to 2024. Savvy trader and $10.66 million in 4 months with strategic Ethereum and Bitcoin. Getting started, I already told you. First of all, you have to download the app. After downloading the app, you can use your email address and mobile phone number to register and log in the upper right corner of the official website homepage and within the app. Moonlight Fragment participate in activities to earn Moonlight Fragments. You can earn Moon Fragments by signing in daily within the app, and you can redeem prizes by accumulating them. NFTs on the Moon. Exchange the blind box for NFT. Use Moonlight Fragments to purchase blind boxes to draw featured NFTs. Moon Market. Enter the Moonlight Exchange. There are many market information in the Moon exchange, including NFT, card transaction between users, mining income, and personal account balances. You can download the app also by clicking on this download link. Okay. Next, we can see the footer of this web lunar lens. The freedom and desire dejected by the moonlight here just carry the freedom of digital creation and sharing, making the culture here a vast and vibrant. Lunar lens is a hotspot for soul dance and digital implementation, inspiring people thinking dreams and creativity, allowing them to express freely here, creating a new chapter for the diversified deployment of digital assets. You can join their Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, Telegram, Discord, TikTok, YouTube, and the other Telegram channel and Telegram group to get the latest news about Lunar Lens coin. Next, I'm going to tell you about the exchange where Lunar Lens is already listed from 2 August. From the 2nd of August, Lunar Lens is listed on MEXC exchange. You can see here the total chart of Lunar Lens price stands. Its current price is $5.161 plus 0.21% in the last 24 hours. You can see the total price stand of Lunar Lens right here. You can see the 5-minute candle, 15-minute, 30-minute, 1 hour, 4 hour, 1 minute, 1 month, everyone you want. Here is the order book of Lunar Lens. You can see the total everything about Lunar Lens in this exchange, because on Max Lunar Lens is already listed from 2nd of August. So it's a big opportunity for all of you, but it's not a financial advice. So be careful. Maybe it will go to the moon, maybe it will go to the down to earth. Hope so you'll understand it. That's not a financial advice. So that's the total video right here. If you like the video, please hit the subscribe button and don't forget to press the bell icon to get the latest updates from my channel. We'll meet in the next video. Take care. Bye bye.